Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Cancer for March 2021. So let's see, Cancerian, what we have in March for you. Happy energies, all thinking about growth, getting people together, working together, kind of an energy. Nice. Second week, third week, and fourth week. Okay. So, Cancerians, what I feel is your first week of March. Now, this is a year of communication, right? Sorry. And this year, I feel Cancerians, you really need to take care of how you communicate with people. Because, especially number fives, Cancerian. See, what happens is you are still holding on to a lot of past energies where people didn't treat you well, maybe people did not communicate with you well, so you're trying to give back the same things. You're trying to give back the same things. Also, a lot of people are going to sneak upon you to know about your background, maybe people who want to do business work, job with you. Okay, I feel communication is going to be very important, especially how you communicate on social media. That's a very important point. If you are not taking care of your communication part, there could be misunderstanding the first week of March for you, Cancerians. it, I feel there will be a energy of miscommunication or misunderstood communication, so please be careful. Okay, when you're especially when you're talking about your work, job, business, you're doing some kind of meeting, please be careful of how you convey your message to people. It could be misunderstood. Maybe you're not the type of Cancerians are very sweet and very nice and well behaved people, but sometimes we try to say something else, and out of fear, maybe past experience, we're trying to get back or something like that. We're trying to convey something and then it is misunderstood very badly. That kind of thing could happen. Second week of March is going to get you a lot of anybody who's into money, property kind of a thing, profession. You're going to benefit in the second week of March. Also, there is a lot of divine timing working for you in the second week of March, where you're going to benefit with this divine timing. Maybe you're waiting for your business proposal, something to sell, some money coming in, something. There's a lot of divine timing, divine healing reaching you in the second week of March. People who are working for, maybe abroad or maybe long distance companies or something, they will benefit. Good news will come. Lot of money, property benefits in the second week. Third week again, there's going to be a lot of wonderful energies of new beginning, lot of abundance, lot of Venus working. So Venus works with love, money, luxury, right? So I feel there is a lot of Venus energy. So a lot of love, money, abundance coming your way in the third week. And in the fourth week, you are going to start something new. I feel that you're going to try to build an empire. Some people, if who are working on building a business or a business house or maybe a position they're looking at in their life, definitely fourth week will give them that chance. So I think for Cancerians, this is a very good month. The first week is going to just have to take care of your communication thing, misunderstanding in communication. You really have to take care of that. Okay. Otherwise, the second, third, fourth week is going to be very, very good for you, Cancerians. I think it's a wonderful reading. I think the fourth week, the second week, the third week, all 3 weeks are getting you really wonderful things in your life, like divine timing, people who are into property, money, business. Fourth week also is going to get you what you actually been working for, that position, right? Amazing. Nice reading. So let's see what we have in your relationship area, Cancer. I hope it's as wonderful as your work reading. Okay. So relationship, Cancerian, wow. Somewhere, Cancerians, you all are moving out of the old pattern in month of March. In your relationship area, I feel you're releasing all the toxicity, okay? And anyways, see, the time, the energy in March for Cancerian is to release all the toxicity of the past and toxic patterns, toxic relationships. It could be anything negative that was not there in your life. Sorry, anything negative that was there in your life. Especially we are doing a relationship reading, especially your toxic relationships you're going to release in the month of March. Okay. Here, I will advise Cancerian to just clear your aura because you're actually healing in the month of March. You're healing in your relationship area too. You're understanding more about relationships, valuing the right people in your life, right? So, some way I will want you to do that ritual which I am going to be putting very soon on. It is coming in as a short tip on YouTube. Just take a plastic bottle, add a piece of alum in it, add 3-4 tablespoons of vinegar in it, take it around your aura and throw it outside in a public dustbin or a flowing water if you have. So, healing is happening. Do this ritual. Please rewind the video and see what I have said. Okay, and do it for like few Saturdays. It will help you because in your relationship somewhere you are confronting yourself, asking yourself, why was I in that toxic relationship? Why am I not improving my relationship? That kind of questions you're asking yourself, and somewhere you are going to move on. Few of the Cancerians are going to move on from their past relationship. Few of them will move on from the toxicity, that toxic energy that they have been attracting. Okay, and you will make a decision, some kind of decision in the month of March in your relationship area. Okay, there is a lot of heart chakra energy, so I feel your heart chakra is opening in the month of March. Also, you can work on your heart chakra because that will also give you more clarity about whom you want to be with. And blossom and joy and stability, that's one of the beautiful cards of tarot, where you are going to blossom in your relationship, the new one or the old one, if you're cutting out all the toxicity, and there's joy and stability in your life. Yeah, nice, no? I love it. I love it. I love this reading for Cancerians. This is a beautiful month for Cancerians, isn't it? So let's see what we have as a fairy message. Okay? Fairy message for Cancerians. Affirmations. Believe in yourself. Okay? Lift up your thoughts and energy and attract what you desire. So you need to say affirmations, you need to manifest, you need to use law of attraction, because anyways things are happening well for you. So if you are also in a positive frame of mind, you're going to attract even better energies. Okay, that's a beautiful reading for Cancerians, and I hope you all liked it. And don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with family and friends, and call me for paid appointments. Email me for paid appointments only. And don't forget to like my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.